is about words like always and usually. Let's look at them again. Takumi and Sue are at his flat. They talk about dinner. Listen.
I always eat rice with my dinner.
I never eat rice at home. I usually have potatoes or vegetables with my dinner.
Takumi says, I always eat rice with my dinner. Always is 100% of the time. Sue says, I never eat rice at home. Never is 0% of the time. She also says, I usually have potatoes or vegetables with my dinner. Usually is 80% of the time. Look at a table with always, usually, sometimes, and never. We can say, I sometimes have cereal for breakfast. Sometimes is 50% of the time. We say, I always eat, not I eat always. We say, they usually have, not they have usually. You can go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We say, we always eat rice, and I sometimes have fruit for lunch. Well done.